Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the model geometry analysis. This is the final video of this course, and I hope that all these videos are useful for you, and with this last one we will end the commands and the options that it was our intention to explain in these videos. So this final video, it's a set of commands united in one group called geometry analysis, and we can do a lot of things with them. Okay, I've opened a part, the back cover of an iPhone mobile phone, and we can find this set of commands under menu measure, and we get all these functions here. The first one is something called mesh properties, and basically I want to choose my model, confirm, and I get for this density and with these units just say can put, and we get all these informations almost immediately. Okay. Second operation, it's something called model check, and the model check can also choose a solid, and this model check will analyze the body in such a way that we'll try to expose errors on the geometry. So in here everything it is okay, so nothing to point. Then we have something called intersection check, and I will create one more solid to create intersection, and coming here intersection check, so we want to check for interferences, and we get this intersection area that is signed with this red color. Okay, so it's also a very good analysis when we are in assemblies. We have a function called check changes, and when we have two parts, it's not the case. I can input two different solid elements, and it will find, according to this type of operation, it will show the differences, and this is quite good for checking updates on a part. Okay. Then we have curvature. I can choose one curve, and it will show me the curvature of this curve with more or less density, okay, with more or less size also, and I can play a little with the colors, so I have a couple of options to see this curvature and the smoothness of the curvature. So it is also a very nice way to check what we are doing. We have the exact same function for surfaces, so I don't think it's much important. So if I get a face, so I can choose something and see the colors of this curvature on the surface. Basically it's the same principle. I have something called also surface deviation, and in here it will be the deviation from the normal, and usually it's a nice analysis when we have a surface that inverts its normal. It's not the case here, so probably not too interesting. It will be very smooth. Okay, so we can play a little with this. Surface gap, show gaps between surfaces, density and so on, so I can see from two entities what is going on. Nothing it is going on in here, minimum 0 and maximum 1, so nothing happens. We have also something called normal deviation, okay? And the normal deviation, it's deviation on the adjacent faces at the selected edges. So also another analysis. So we can do something like this. I'm not sure if it is clear the purpose of this, but in this particular case everything is quite smooth. I have another analysis called surface smoothness, and this is a zebra analysis. In this particular case, I'm not sure if it is visible, but with these stripes we can see the tangents and the smoothness in certain points. So for the purpose of this part, I think everything it is okay. For example, in this back side, no rupture in terms of these lines, so the lines are fluid and continuous, so quite good. And finally, I have something called the model separation check, which is interesting for analyzing for the analysis of a plastic part of a die-cast model in terms of what it is to be separated, okay? The direction, I need to start again. The direction, it's this one, and the model, it's this one, okay? Now we get the top faces, okay, in one side in blue, the bottom faces in another side, and the faces requiring tapering because they are undefined inside and outside. So this is a very quick and nice analysis that we can do also for a model on the perspective of injection. So with this we will finish these lessons. I truly hope that all of these videos were useful for you. For sure that some videos were better than the others, but anyway, videos are a complement of the theoretical side that I hope you get time to study. And as I've said many times along all these videos, in any situation, or if you need any help, support, you can contact us. So I see you all for other videos. I mentioned somewhere along this path that we will continue to publish videos for T-Flex for more examples in terms especially of assemblies, but also going to analysis and so on. And we will publish specific videos for things that we spoke in this course a little more light. So subscribe our channel, and you will get all the information about the new videos. So bye to all, and see you.